Resort core aesthetic, merging lifestyle design with travel comfort in India. Resort core is not just vacation clothes, it's a way of living lightly, moving comfortably, and looking put together, from breakfast by the sea to a rooftop dinner in the city. In India, it blends breathable fabrics, earthy palettes, and relaxed tailoring with practical details for heat, humidity, dust, and sudden downpours. Think capsule wardrobe meets slow travel. Fewer pieces, higher rotation, easier care, and silhouettes that feel like a sigh. Start with fabric truth. Natural, open-weave materials are non-negotiable. Hand-loom cotton, mull, khadi, linen, bamboo viscose, and light merino for cooler nights. They breathe in Goa's humidity, survive Kerala's rain, and layer in a Jaipur winter evening. Pre-wash once to soften and reduce dye run. Choose unlined or lightly lined pieces so airflow actually happens. Build a 5-day capsule you can stretch to 10. Tops: 2 linen or khadi shirts, 1 white ivory, 1 color, 1 sleeveless shell, 1 relaxed tee. Bottoms: 1 drawstring trouser, 1 tailored short or culotte, 1 wrap skirt/sarong that doubles as pool cover. Layering: 1 airy overshirt or kimono, 1 light denim or cotton silk jacket for AC blasts. Dresses, jumpsuits, 1 midi in breathable fabric that moves from beach to bar with a belt. Swim: 1 suit that works under an overshirt as a bodysuit. Sleep: 1 co-ord set you won't mind wearing to breakfast. Silhouette is loose with structure. Aim for ease through the body with shape at the shoulder or waist when you want it. Side slits for movement. Elastic backs with flap fronts for polish. Wrap ties that adjust to post-thali reality. Men's resort core leans camp collar, band collar, or kurta collar shirts. Cuff drawstring trousers, and soft loafers or huarache-style sandals. Women's leans column dresses, wrap middies, wide-leg trousers, and cords that mix. Color and texture do the work for you. Neutrals, ivory, sand, chai, coconut, terracotta create an easy base. Add 1 saturated note per outfit: indigo, emerald, marigold, or sindoor red. Textures: slub linen, handloom stripes, chikankari, jamdani dots carry quiet interest without heavy prints. If you love prints, keep scale medium and colors sun-washed so they play with everything else. Footwear solves 80% of comfort. Pack a triad: leather or vegan slide sandals with arch support. Woven closed-toe flats or espadrilles for dusty streets and temples. Lightweight trainers for walks and airport sprints. Break them in before travel. Insoles beat extra shoes. Accessories are your climate tools: a wide brim hat or cap, polarized sunglasses, a cotton scarf sarong, sun, AC temple cover, and a small crossbody that fits, phone, SPF, sanitizer, and a card case. Jewelry stays minimal: gold tone hoops, a bangle, or a pendant, so sweat and sunscreen don't ruin heirlooms. Add a slim belt to shape flowy pieces at dinner. Grooming and care keep the vibe effortless. Decant mineral/reef safe SPF, pack a hydrating mist, and choose a single hair product that fights frizz without weight. Laundry kit: travel size gentle detergent, mesh bag, and a flat clothesline for balcony dries. Quick rinse natural fibers mean you can rewear daily. Stain plan: baby wipes for sunscreen and curry splashes. Bicarbonate for underarm marks. A small fabric shaver for knit pills. Designed for India's microclimates and etiquette. Coastal humidity: linen blends and open weaves. Avoid heavy denim. Monsoon: quick dry shorts, hen links above ankle, packable rain shell. Desert evenings: add a light shawl or merino tee under an overshirt. Temple visits: shoulders and knees covered. Keep a scarf or wrap skirt handy. Hotel gyms, spas: 1 multi-purpose active set that can double as loungewear. Pack technology that disappears: noise isolation earbuds for trains and flights, a slim power bank, and a universal adapter. E-reader over hardbacks: a compact camera or phone with a wrist strap. Hands-free: less drop risk when boarding ferries or walking ghats. Sustainability is style that lasts. Choose fewer, better-made pieces. French seams, reinforced buttons, real pockets. Rent occasion wear for resort weddings. Buy local resort labels that pay artisans. Wash cool and line dry. repair hems and replace buttons instead of replacing garments. Your bag gets lighter and your outfits get better. From resort to city without a costume change. Swap sandals for closed-toe flats. Add the jacket, belt the dress, and switch the crossbody for a small tote. Hair in a bun, lip balm with tint, done. The goal is continuity. The same pieces serve breakfast buffets, spice markets, heritage walks, and cocktails. A sample day proves the point. Morning, linen shirt, drawstring trousers, slides, scarf, sunscreen. Afternoon, shell-top sarong as skirt, hat, sunglasses, crossbody. Evening, midi dress, light jacket, espadrilles, pendant. 3 looks, shared bones, 0 stress. Resort core in India is less aesthetic and more system. Breathable fabrics, a modular palette, adjustable silhouettes, and a care routine that fits the climate. When your clothes cooperate with the day, travel feels like home, and home feels like holiday. For capsule packing lists, resort to city-style lookbooks, and India-specific fabric care guides, visit globalinfoveda.com.